Hello, this is Lamp Guitar, and in this tutorial/video, you'll be learning how to make a low poly height map type terrain. That's from Blender to Godot. So let's get started. First, go to your image thing, make a thing. Oh god, it's going so fast. Uh, Basically, make an image. I like to stamp height maps. You can get them anywhere from the internet. Uh, but if you want to like use it for gameplay, I would recommend actually drawing it. After that, get some textures for the ground and then like the side of the ground, like the walls. You can find a whole ton of them at opengameart.org. That's where I go for the quick stuff. So back to your image. Just slap it in there. It doesn't have to be complicated. Export it somewhere in Blender now. We open it up, create a grid. I like to go with 128 by 128. The size actually ended up being like 80 because I scaled it up twice again from 50, so it's actually 100. Next, go up to your modifiers, and we're going to add the displace modifier. Create a new texture. Name it just for organization, height map 00. I always just name them. And in coordinates, change it to UV. Easy as pie. Now to the little tabs, go to your textures and find the height map you renamed it and open it. Soon after opening it, you should just see your little height map on there. Go back to the modifier, the displace modifier, and then just raise the strength. And there you go. If you don't like it here, you may as well just go back to the image, because it's not gonna make it prettier here. But if you're lazy like me, just go to the sculpting tab. I go to clay strips, I think. Come on, pass me. Yep, clay strips. And just touch it up. Play around with the settings. It's kind of annoying, but it's a learning curve. I think most people just have to do, like with everything, including animation. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, just touch it up. You don't have to be super clean about it, because I like to add a smooth modifier, and I think, and then I just decimate it. But make sure you apply those modifiers before you export it. Otherwise, you might end up with just like a flat plane. So yeah, to give it that low poly look, just decimate the thing to whatever level you like. Honestly, I think for game engines, it's better if it's like more low poly. Yeah. Anyway, apply that modifier, export it, and now we go to the shaders website. Find yourself one you like. I like this one. It's pretty simple, and you can actually customize it. So if you don't know how to create a shader or use them, just basically create another resource within Godot. Pick the shaders, and then down here at the tab, just pasta in your code, and it should work if you got a right shader with the right version of Godot that you're using. Open up that mesh that you slapped in from Blender. Put on the material from the shader, and then just mess around with the settings there. Most of the shaders have good documentation from that website, and just read it. I don't know what else to say. Read it, and if it fits your needs, you mess around with the settings, and that should be about it for that. After I'm done messing with that, select the mesh and create a tri-mesh static body. This is kind of what will do your collisions, and if you have a layer system, like named up, then this is where you would set it up. I'm just using the Kenny starter kit, and I think everything is just default to 1. So yeah, there you go. It really is just about like aesthetics here. Keep it low poly, use a certain definition of texture that will like make it look crunchy, and that's it. Use another add-on to slap on the foliage, and we're done.